Okay, today I'm taking a look at the B&C Home Tools large 6-pack socket organizer. So there we go. These are my favorite colors. I really love the black and red look, especially when you put it in your toolbox. In my opinion, nothing else looks as good as this. Now, the thing I really like about this style of tray is that they're just super easy to clean. It's not as big of a deal with something like this because it's got that little tray in the bottom, so that will catch all the grease and oil and nastiness in the bottom instead of having it run all over your toolbox. So that's one of the things that really makes this one stand out. So they are color coded, so the metric is black and the SAE is red. We got 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch drive. Same thing for the metric. For the metric 1/4 inch, it goes from a 4.5 to a 15. On the 3/8, it goes from a 6 to a 20. And then on the 1/2 inch drive, it goes from a 10 to a 27. On the SAE for a 1/4 inch drive, it goes from a 3/16 to a 5/8. On the 3/8 drive, it goes from a 1/4 inch to a 1 inch. And it is all the way complete, so you got everything down to the 1/16 of an inch. And then on the 1/2 inch drive, we got from a 3/8 to a 1 1/4. So let's just double check and make sure that all my sockets actually fit on here. So one thing I am noticing is that if I put them in like this with the drive down, this base is actually going to center the socket if I put it with the top down. So that's kind of a good thing because what that means is that this isn't going to rattle around as you pull the drawers in and out. So there we go. That is what a full gear wrench socket set looks like on one of these organizers. I really like the fact that you can actually see the numbers on top so you know what the socket is before you actually go grab it. And I like that it's not one of those rails where you have to actually hold the whole thing down to pull the socket off. With this, with one hand, if I got one hand dirty and I want to go and use my clean hand to pull a socket off, I can do that. These things just come right off. So yeah, that is an awesome organizer. I'm going to take this to work and that's going to go on my toolbox.